Every slipper has a weak point. This area is the weakest because it's very thin. Every time you walk, you're forcing this part to split or tear. You're pushing it up. Yeah? When you push up, it tears. Whenever you see a tear, you have to quickly cure it. If you don't cure it, this thing will get longer and longer and longer until you have to change or replace a new slipper. I will be using a super glue and a masking tape. This is a rubber, this is a plastic. But the super glue does not stick to this plastic. The super glue can stick to this rubber. Let's just see how it works. You have to close the cap with anything. This is a tissue. To prevent it from hardening quickly, you have to put it upside down. This part is hardened. All you need to do is put a needle into it to open up the hole. Great. Alright, good. Avoid contact with your skin because it's very sticky. This is super glue. Alright, just hold it for a few seconds, yeah, until it fuse together. I cannot let go because once I let go, the thing will split apart. Let the super glue do its work, then only I can let it go. Done. And to really hold it firmly, that's why I need to use this. I have just saved a slipper. Otherwise, I would have spent like $7 to buy a pair of slippers. Leave it for like few minutes to 1 hour if you want to, and it will become like this. Can you see? Both of the slippers have a tear. This is the weak part, and this is already cured. This is just a masking tape to hold it together if there's a tear. Use a super glue. Don't throw away. Thank you. Bye-bye.